is his internal visual inspection. Real A grade 9 CSS. He is?
My name is Katanji Pamisa.
My name is J. Bang.
I am Jasmichael M. Umpat. Proceed to the inspection. We need to make sure that all open files and all open application has been closed. Of the inspection, turn off the computer and the AVR. Step 2 is to detach all wires at the back of the system unit. Don't forget to do the OHS. Is to remove the side cover. Verify that the chips, expansion cards, RAM, and heatsink are fully seated. Caution, the heatsink can be extremely hot, so be careful. Press firmly to check if they are fully seated.
The cable connection inside the computer to verify that are firmly attached to their appropriate connections. Restore the side cover.
Step 7. Connect the wire and attach any peripheral to those power source. Turn on the AVR and Step 9. Search the device manager in the search bar. Then double-click the sound and video game controller. This device is working properly. Then double-click the monitor. This device is working properly. Then double click the display adapter. This device is working properly.
All the steps in internal visual inspection. Thank you for listening and watching.